Hello friends, we are starting a course in spoken Hindi. So this is our first lesson. So let's start. आओ, come. आओ, come. आओ, come. आइए, please come. आइए, please come. This we haven't used in the Hindi for please because the verb form आइए itself tells that it is formal and polite. Formal and polite way is आइए. आओ is informal and आइए is formal and polite. आइए, please come. So we haven't used the word for please in Hindi. आइए, please come. अंदर आओ, come in. अंदर आओ, come in. अंदर आओ, come in. अंदर आओ, come in. अंदर आइए, अंदर आइए, please come in. अंदर आइए, please come in. अंदर आइए, please come in. यहाँ आओ, come here. यहाँ आओ, come here. यहाँ आओ, come here. यहाँ आइए, please come here. यहाँ आइए, please come here. यहाँ आइए, please come here. बैठो, sit. बैठो, sit. बैठो, sit. बैठिए, please sit. बैठिए, please sit. बैठिए, please sit. यहाँ बैठो, sit here. यहाँ बैठो, sit here. यहाँ बैठो, sit here. यहाँ बैठिए, please sit here. यहाँ बैठिए, please sit here. यहाँ बैठिए, please sit here. वहाँ बैठो, sit there. वहाँ बैठो, sit there. वहाँ बैठो, sit there. वहाँ बैठो, sit there. वहाँ बैठिए, please sit there. वहाँ बैठिए, please sit there. वहाँ बैठिए, please sit there.